one place to another. I go to work by bike. My brother goes by car. We went to Paris last summer. Shall we go to the swimming pool today? You can go to a place on foot or in some kind of transport. To make it clear that we are going on foot, we can say, "We're walking to work this morning." Is this train going to Colombo? Where does this road go? Go plus prepositions. Kim went into his room and shut the door. Yuko went out of the house and into the garden. Ronnie was tired. He went up the stairs slowly. The phone was ringing. She went down the stairs quickly. Go away. I'm going back home this evening. Go plus ing for activities. Go is often used with ing for different activities. I hate going shopping. I usually go swimming in the morning. Let's go dancing. Hans goes skiing every winter. Do you like going sightseeing when you are on holiday? Bob is going fishing today. Future plans. Be going to is often used for plans for the future. On Saturday, Jan is going to visit his aunt. On Sunday, we're going to stay at home. On Monday, I'm going to meet Sam at the restaurant.